Have you ever heard this sound? It might be the last thing you'd want to hear on a wilderness trail, but did you know this sound isn't a threat but a warning? Today, join 10 Knowledge Daily to uncover the secrets behind the rattlesnake's tail, one of nature's most incredible defense mechanisms. The rattlesnake's rattle is a marvel of natural engineering. Unlike the popular belief that there are small beads or pebbles inside, the sound is actually produced by the collision of interlocking keratin segments. Keratin, the same protein that makes up your fingernails and hair, forms these segments. When the snake vibrates its tail, these segments collide at incredible speeds, creating that distinctive sound. What's truly remarkable is the speed and precision of this movement. A rattlesnake can vibrate its tail 50 to 100 times per second, a rate that puts it among the fastest sustained muscular contractions in the animal kingdom. For comparison, a hummingbird's wings beat at around 80 times per second when hovering. This incredible speed allows the rattle to produce a continuous buzzing sound, loud enough to be heard from several meters away. Despite their fearsome reputation, rattlesnakes are surprisingly reluctant to rattle. These creatures are ambush predators, relying on stealth to get close to their prey. Vibrating their tail is essentially a last resort, a way to warn larger animals or humans to stay away. By rattling, the snake avoids confrontation, which could be dangerous for both itself and the perceived threat. One fascinating story comes from a naturalist who once stepped into rattlesnake territory during a field study. Hearing the distinct rattle just in time, he stopped in his tracks and spotted the snake mere inches away. This warning saved him from a potentially dangerous bite and saved the snake from being harmed out of fear. Rattlesnakes play a crucial role in their ecosystems. By preying on rodents, they help control populations that might otherwise spread disease or damage crops. Their presence is a reminder of the delicate balance in nature, where every species has a role to play. The rattlesnake's rattle is more than a warning. It's a lesson in coexistence. It shows us the importance of communication and respecting boundaries. By understanding these creatures, we can learn to live alongside them, appreciating their role in nature and their unique adaptations. So, next time you hear the rattle of a snake, remember, it's not a declaration of aggression, but a plea for mutual respect. Nature has given us this sound as a warning, a sign of its balance, and a call for understanding. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more fascinating discoveries from 10 Knowledge Daily. Together, let's keep exploring the mysteries of our world.